She's a classic casualty of the Southeast debt crisis. She started borrowing to keep a small business afloat 6 years ago from the bank in an easier financial climate. Next came credit cards. Then, owing tens of thousands of pounds, she found herself tempted by the ads for payday loans.
You just don't know what to do to deal with it. It just gets so much. You know, you don't open the post, you sort of like avoid phone calls. The pressure really gets to you in the end, and you just feel like sort of, you wish you could just disappear.
Figures released today show that the average level of personal unsecured debt in Medway is now £43,000 per person. That's compared with £18,000 per person 2 years ago. Medway also has the biggest concentration of payday loan shops, one behind me and 22 more within a mile of Chatham High Street. The average cost of a payday loan repaid in full at the first available payday is £10 to £30 per 100 borrowed. But delaying repayment is massively expensive because the APRs, annual interest rates charged, are typically 2,000 to 4,000%.
We need to see a change in the way that these organisations are licensed and authorised. At the moment, there's no limit on how much interest they can charge.
Medway Citizens Advice Bureau is working flat out. The first week of the new year is on course to see new cases of unmanageable new debt totalling more than £2 million. Many have had payday loans approved in the run-up to Christmas, but many don't have paydays. They're unemployed and on benefits.
You can go from one shop to another through Medway, getting £300 or £400 at each one. And at the moment, there seems to be no mechanism for them to check up that a client hasn't been into another payday loan shop 2 hours before.
The Consumer Finance Association, which represents 70% of the payday loan trade, had no one available for interview today. In a statement, it says 91% of payday customers are satisfied with the experience and 85% have no trouble paying back their loans. Meanwhile, Medway fears its fastest growing industry will soon be opening its 24th payday loan shop.